What do you say? Say, come on, dollar. Look, she's going to spin it now. Watch him. Watch her. Say, come on, dollar. Say, come on, dollar. One more. What do you say? Say dollar. Look, she got $1. What do you say? You want more? They only spin the wheel 3 times. Look, she won. Say yay! Yay! You want to see it again? Huh? Look. Oh, she's going to spin it again. Look. She's going to go again. Jason, did you want to see it again? Look, there she goes. What? You want more? What do you say? What do you say? Please? You want to watch more? I love you.